This is Greg Chumley, Workflow Analyst at Caslon, a company that provides accessible education, insights, and tools designed to help PODI members achieve better business results. This video takes a look at the dashboard for Ricoh's Total Flow Process Director Express. The dashboard is the command center for this PDF-based workflow management platform where managers, operators, and CSRs can easily see and manage all the jobs in the shop. The job list can be filtered by workflow phase or by job status, enabling people to focus on where there might be workflow problems. This is where jobs awaiting manual approval can be released. Dashboards for systems with the optional SLA module can even identify jobs that are at risk of being late. And since this is the main control panel, it can do a lot more than we have time to get into in this briefing. It's important to notice, however, that this dashboard encompasses the entire job lifecycle, not just pre-press. Let's get started by getting into the system. It is hosted on your server but accessed by logging in via a web interface. This is important for a few reasons. First, it means that any authorized user can access it anytime from any place. Second, individual logins means that Process Director Express can track what is being done, making it possible to identify action owners, like who approved or removed a job. Third, it means that users can have personalized views as well as customized access authority based upon individuals or by groups. The dashboard consists of windows for input devices, printers, jobs, and a system summary. Other windows and tabs will automatically appear when other modules are purchased. These windows can be moved around and have various filters applied to personalize the screens based upon user preferences or upon task. And these personalized views can be saved and opened to help managers or operators focus on particular activities. One window in the dashboard lists all the printers in the shop, or, depending on your permissions, all the printers for which you have access. For example, an operator's view might be limited to just the printers in her location. Also, printers can be marked as favorites to quickly limit the view to just those devices of interest, or broadened to see everything in the shop. Another window lists input devices. These are typically hot folders where JDF files are dropped from submission systems to enter jobs into predefined workflows. This window allows you to view and control these input queues. You can disable them from accepting new jobs or disable them from releasing jobs, effectively creating hold queues to store all of a particular job type or all of a particular customer's job for later release en masse. Speaking of workflows, we'll get into them in depth in another video, but something important to know now is that when a workflow is created in Process Director Express, the steps are placed into 6 general phases: receive, prepare, assemble, print, insert, and complete. Every job exists in one of these phases and has one of 4 statuses: processing, active, manual, or error. The system summary table provides a bird's eye view of this, showing how many jobs are currently in each phase and each status. The job window is the list of the actual jobs with columns of information. Of course, jobs can have a lot of information, and so these columns can be customized to show or hide whatever information is important to you. These 2 windows also work together to help you drill down to the area that interests you. So, by clicking on a cell in the summary table, we can look at all jobs, or all the complete jobs, or all the jobs with errors, or all the active print jobs. As you can see, this is a great way to quickly narrow down the list. In addition, if you have the SLA feature, you can highlight jobs that are late or that are at risk of being late. Basically, with the SLA module, you can specify a due date and can specify back-off times for various workflow steps. The system then uses this to determine and highlight if you missed a deadline or if you're at risk of missing one, so that you can prioritize your work. These SLA screens are actually from Ricoh's Process Director offering. Process Director has the same user interface as Process Director Express, but is designed for transactional printing workflows based on AFP file formats rather than PDFs. This is a very richly featured system with much more functionality than can be shown in a briefing, but I hope this provides a flavor of what the dashboard is about. To summarize, the Process Director Express dashboard is the place where jobs are managed. It manages jobs across all automated or manual workflow steps from submission and preparation through fulfillment and archival, not just pre-press and printing. It is accessible via web login at any time from anywhere, and it is customizable and flexible. The Process Director Express dashboard is an impressive system control panel that has great potential for use in a variety of ways by operators, managers, and customer service representatives.